Hello guys, today we learn how to implement SSRS report with SQL procedures and parameters. To implement this, you have required SQL Server 2012 or SSDT tool installed for SSRS and Visual Studio 2015. Now let us see what steps we need to follow to create a SSRS report. First one is need to add a shared data source and establish the connection to SQL Server using the credential with database name. Means we need to add connection string in this shared data source. And second step is need to create a dataset. We define the SQL queries in dataset. If any parameters are required, then we write the SQL query with parameters. And third one is create a report and design the report. First we need to create a report and drag the dataset fields, for example employee ID, employee name and etc. from the report data pane to the report design surface and format the reports as needed like tables, matrices, chart, etc. Here we are using the SQL procedure in SSRS, so here procedure name is sv underscore get underscore emp underscore details, and you can see how can create a procedures like create procedure sv get emp details. There is one parameter employee id integers edge. Select star from emp daily where employee id equal to emp id. Also you can define the multiple parameters whatever you have required. Now let us see with a real example. Open Visual Studio. Now go to File, New, Projects. Then you will choose Template, Business Intelligence, then Reporting Services. And you select Report Server Projects. Now you can put the name of your project like SSRS with SP with parameters. Params. Now click on OK button. So here you can see report project will be created and there is three folders you can see in right hand side in the solution explorer like share data source, share dataset and report. First step you need to create a share data source. So right click and add new items. Then we need to choose first data source. Click this one. Now click on add. So here you can see dataset. Data source name is data source 1 and type Microsoft SQL Server. Here you can define the connection string. So click on edit. Here you can put your server name. In my case server name is this and you can put here in your server names whatever you have. And I have taken like window authentications. Then after that we need to choose the like database. So I have checked test and you need to click on test connections. So here you can see test connection succeeded. Then press on OK. Then again click on OK button. So here you can see connection string will look like this, like data source, that is server name, initial catalog with database name test. After that you need to click on OK button. So when you click on OK buttons, that data source will be added, and in data source you can see the connection string. After that we need to go on second step, means create a data set. So right click, add new items, then data sets, click on add. So here my data set name is dataset 1. You can change dataset name. I am using here store procedures, so check this store procedures and the store procedure will be display like ESP get imply details, and we need to go query designers, and here you can see there is option to run these four procedures. So click on this and it is asking for parameters. So you can put 101 and click on OK. So here you can see based on the conditions like employee ID as a parameter 101 get the record. So now click on OK button. And what fields will be shown, so you can see here employee ID, name and location, and here you can see one parameter employee ID. Then after that we need to click on OK button. So when we click and one data set has been created. Now after this we need to go third step, means we need to add a report. So add new items and reports and click on, you can also change the report name according to your reports. So click on add button. So here you can see one panel will be shown here, and then after that you go to toolbox. In toolbox you can see the tables. So select and drag and drop on this page. So after selecting drag and drop, here you can see there is dataset one which already you have created. Field you can see options, filters and parameters. So after refreshing, so you can see the design will be added here. Then after that we need to go report panel, then dataset, then drag and drop this field. After that you can click on preview and see the result. So let us see, we have entered the employee ID because that is parameter. So we will click on view report, then you get the record of 101 employee. Then also you can change 102, and same way we can also change employee ID 103. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.